cough into your phone. Medical Shazam. Is it the flu or pneumonia? SaludConIA shows you the AI that analyzes sound. Scientists have trained AIs with thousands of cough recordings. They differentiate the wet sound of tuberculosis from the dry sound of COVID or asthma. Just by coughing into the microphone, it gives you a pre-diagnosis with over 80% accuracy in rural areas without doctors. Benefit? Instant, free lung diagnosis anywhere in the world. Subscribe for Pocket Medicine. What does your cough sound like today?